Bill Goudy checking in. I'm running out of daylight once again. Let's get the priorities straight, and then I want to get on to talking about some MREs I got. And I've been talking to Fernbark, your old pal Fernbark, over at Morningwood. Let's get this priority straight, shall we? Oh no, can you see that? Ice cold. Yes. Yeah, it's dark. Getting dark. I'm gonna give me a flashlight. There's more light out here. All right. Let's do it proper. Got to find Mark's knife. Crawdaddy Forge built this for me. Yeah, it's a neck knife, bottle opener, striker, screwdriver. It works. Look at this. Ice cold. Oh. Mmm. Ah, is that good? I gotta turn that radio down. I don't want to get in trouble. My old pal Fernbark, his link's down below. He does a lot of MREs and knows a lot about them. And I've watched several other people do MREs as well. And I got a couple. But I think I got mine back in the 90s, sometime in the 90s, at a gun show. And in fact, looking at the package, I can't find a date. Fernbark told me what to look for, but I don't see it. I'm going to insert the pictures here. I didn't have enough light to show you right now, so I did it with a flash. But there is no imprint or anything. And these are government MREs, and they were not for resale, even though I bought them at a gun show years ago. I'm nervous. I don't know whether to open them up. I know I'm a low carb guy. There's nothing low carb about any of this stuff. I think one's beef, a charcoal beef, or I don't know. And the other one's a teriyaki beef, and the other one is pork chow mein. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. But that's up and coming. That's an up and coming video. So tonight I'm having blackened catfish. Catfish I had from Florida. Thank goodness for Florida. I didn't get out on the river much this year. No, the river was way too high last year. Flood stage, over flood stage. Yeah, it just wasn't any good. And I'm hoping it's going to be better this year. They're saying 25 mile an hour gusts of wind tomorrow. So today was a beautiful day. I got a lot done. And I wish I'd have done a crock pot meal, just something easy. But I'm so darn tired. I got my pan getting hot. Normandy blend. I got that steamer from Debbie Holland. Yeah. That's a Griswold pan. I got my bird's eye Normandy blend. I think it's Normandy. On the steamer. Debbie Holland gave me that steamer. And as soon as that's done, we're going to eat. Now, these catfish were cleaned, and I cut them up in chunks, and I cleaned them for deep frying. I didn't clean them for blackening when they're, I don't know how to describe it. Catfish have an inner skin, and I strip off the outside skin, but when I deep fry mine, I cut off the inside skin. But if I blacken my catfish, I leave that inside fat, that inside skin on, because that is where the fish oil comes from. Well, I cut that off, and I froze them in water. I got these in September in Florida. I got a couple more bags in the freezer too. Some bass, bluegill, and catfish. And like I say, I didn't get out on the river much. And of course I was traveling, so it worked out good. Anyway, TSP, Triumph Screen Printing, gave me some blackened seasoning. Brand new can of Saltese blackened seasoning. I usually make my own seasoning, you know, but I'm anxious to give this a try. So let's get to it, shall we? I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm trying to get some light on that pan in the right way, but it cooks out all the oils. It cooks out all the seasoning. I have to re-season that pan now after doing the blackened fish because I get it so darn hot. Let's check and see if it's working. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but that's the catfish all chunked up, and I had one small bluegill in there. I'm going to just go ahead and blacken it. Never tried it like that before. We'll give it a go. See if that's hot enough. Yeah, it's sizzling. Looks good. Look at the goodness. That's very good. Every time I have blackened catfish, I'm reminded of the time my good friend Bulldog Bill, when he was alive, made some blackened catfish. And he coated it. He coated the fish like you would batter the fish. And it was so darn hot that he could not eat it. I'm telling stories. I'm telling stories about him. That's good. I get the blackened flavoring, you know, and I can get the pepper seasoning out of there. It's really good. I can't really tell the difference from my own seasoning to that. So I guess that's good, huh? Hot salad. No, you know, it's bird's eye. It's not from my garden. Quality. Wash it down with a vessel of amber fluid. Listen, if you got any info on those MREs, let me know. Go check out Fernbark, check out TSP. Debbie Holland gave me that steamer. Deep in the Woods 73 gave me that Mora knife, and TSP gave me that seasoning. You know, if I'm forgetting somebody, all the links will be down below. Go over, check them out, sub them, and tell them Billy Goudy sent you.